guys, it's me, Quayla. Today we are going to be doing a unboxing, and let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Opening up, get rid of that, we don't need it. First thing that comes out is this DHT Blocking Hair Loss Conditioner. It also comes with the DHT shampoo, as well as the Ultra Strength Hair Growth Treatment. And of course, this does also have multiple DHT blockers to prevent reverse hair loss with this one. It's almost like a serum. It almost smells like black seed oil. Let's go to the site really quickly and see what it says. So the potent formula is going to help you prevent and stop hair loss, okay? So this is for you if you're having any thinning, if you're having any hair loss, if your hair is just, it's not thickening anymore, it stopped thickening up, start getting loose, and you got a little bald spot going on around there, then you definitely want to use the shampoo, conditioner, and the hair growth retreatment. Now, the main ingredients, the Minoxidil, I think.
Minoxidil?
Minoxidil, I think I hope pronounced that correctly. Minoxidil? Minoxidil? The main ingredient helps to prevent the main cause of hair loss, which is DHT. Now, the DHT stops your hair from growing, it starts the thinning process, and so that is why these products focus mainly on blocking DHT. I always suggest that when you do your shampoo and conditioning treatments, you have to massage the scalp because that loosens up any grime, dirt, oil, or whatever that's on the scalp, and it allows the product to penetrate the shaft to the scalp so that they can actually work. So you want to massage, and then you want to put these on the scalp, and you want to, massage those in and allow them to do its work. The main formula that's in the shampoo and conditioner is going to help you to prevent, stop, and reverse hair loss, hair thinning, etc. So guys, go to DHTshampoo.com to get your DHT blocking hair loss formula, and don't forget to pick up the Ultra Strength Hair Regrowth Treatment, and this is going to help you guys regrow any hair in the areas around the edges, in the center, no matter where you're losing or thinning hair. These are going to help you. The shampoo, you want to go ahead and use this, massage it into the scalp for 3 to 5 minutes, and then of course you want to rinse that out. Then when you put the conditioner on, you want to massage it into the scalp and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Now, when you let that sit for 3 to 5 minutes, then you of course are going to rinse that out thoroughly. And then of course, if you'd like, you can use the Ultra Strength Hair Growth Treatment. Now, it says that you want to use this 2 times a day, and you want to have at least 8 hours in between each use. You want to put this in the area of wherever you're thinning at, and this is definitely going to help you regrow that hair in the thinning area. I am excited to give this a try with my husband. Actually, my husband has a little bit of thinning going on, and so I thought, you know what, it's a great opportunity to try this on him. So I'm going to keep you guys updated. I'm going to come back and tell you guys how I like it, but for this video, I just wanted to show you guys this product. You can go to hairlossdhtshampoo.com, and you can find this amazing shampoo product. Now, this is both of these are 16-ounce bottles, and the hair treatment is 2 fluid ounces. I saw some really great reviews. People were saying that it really did help them to stimulate their hair growth so that it could grow back in the thinning areas. So if you're someone who has thinning in the crown area, around the edges, or just anywhere, then I definitely am going to suggest that you get the Hair Restoration Laboratories DHT Blocking Hair Loss Shampoo and Conditioner. And then they also have the Ultra Strength Hair Regrowth Treatment that is great to use twice a day. I really think you're gonna like these products, and this is for men and women, okay? So I'm excited to give this a try. I'm gonna be using this on my husband because, as you guys know, my husband has some hair issues. He's got some thinning issues going on up there. So we're gonna give this a try on him, and I will come back in probably like a week or so, maybe 2, well, with hair regrowth, it takes a while. So I may take maybe like 6 weeks to give this a try on him, and then I'm gonna come back and give you guys an update to let you know what I think about this. So anyway, guys, that's it for me. So I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to rate and subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? The subscribe button is down below. So just subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification buttons, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.